these 10 affiliate marketing platforms will pay you for getting people to actually just sign up, right? They don't need to buy anything. All they need to do is to just sign up for an account and you get paid for as much as $10. Now, this particular website will pay you will earn up to $10 per free trial. So what people need to do to sign up for a free trial account, they're going to be getting paid at least $10. Now, this second one right here, obviously owned by LinkedIn, will pay you a one-time $10 commission for free trial sign up. So once you get people to actually sign up on this platform, just sign up, which is easy to do. You can literally talk to the person sitting next to you right now, and they sign up on this website and are going to be getting paid because of that action that they took, right? Now, there's another website here. If you get 500 persons to sign up, you're going to be getting $25. You can literally create email accounts and sign up on these platforms and you're going to be getting paid $25. Now, right here, if you get 250 persons to sign up per month, right, you're going to be getting $18. Now, this is for a month. You can literally set up 500 accounts and sign up on this particular platform in the whole month, right? I'm going to be getting $25. If you can actually convince your friends and your family members to do the same thing, of course, your money is going to double. Easy peasy, right? I'm going to be showing you 10 different affiliate marketing websites that all you need to do, like I said earlier, is to get people to sign up and you get paid for it. That's all. They don't need to buy anything. So I'm going to be diving right in. I'm going to be showing you guys all these websites. But before that, my name is Gerald and I make videos around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same result. So that's it, guys. Let's go to my laptop screen and actually take a look at all these websites. The first website we're going to be looking at is a website called Constant Contact, right? It's an email marketing platform, but they have an affiliate program, and the affiliate program is unique in the sense that people don't need to buy anything. They just need to set up an account using your affiliate link and you get paid for that action. It is that simple. Now, if I come here right now and you come down right here, it says, get started. Once enrolled, all you need to do is to place other links to Constant Contact on your website. That's one. Now, earn $5 for each referral that signs up for a trial and $105 when they pay for a new account. So they don't need to pay for you to actually make money. All they need to do is to sign up for an account using your link and you get paid $5 for this particular website. Easy peasy, right? Easy. Now, you can track your referral earnings and all of that. So all you need to do right now is just come here and click on apply now. Now, all the websites I'm mentioning in this video, their links are going to be in this video description. So what you need to do is to click on the appropriate link, get to that website and sign up for an account. Copy your affiliate link, give it to your friends, your family members, your followers on social media. Let them click on it and sign up for an account. You're going to be getting $5. Now, imagine if you get 100 persons to sign up for this platform and they're paying you $5 for each sign up. That is the easiest $500 you're going to be making in your life. Trust me, right? So this is Constant Contact. Come here, click on apply and actually set up an account and copy your affiliate link and start sending to your friends and family. Now, the second website that will actually pay you up to $10 for people to just sign up on their platform using your affiliate link is a website called Plural Site. Now, this is a website like Udemy where people actually come to learn. People come to take courses on different topics. Now, they have an affiliate program. All you need to do is to come here and click on Start Today. And you're going to sign up for this affiliate program. But here's what makes this unique, right? If you come here right now, it says, we make our commission structure simple so you can focus on your own business. $5 for free trial. So you just get your affiliate link, send it to whoever, and what they need to do is to just click on your link, sign up for a free trial on Plural Site. That's all, and you get paid $5. Now, again, if you get 1,000 persons to sign up for an account using your affiliate link, right, what is going to happen is that is the easiest $5,000 you're going to be making in your life. Trust me. Now, this is super easy. This is super easy. And it actually gets more interesting as we proceed, right? Because there are 8 more websites remaining. So that's why it's important for you to stay with me from beginning to end of this video as I'm going to be leaving those turn and turn, right? So after you watch this, you got to decide the website that is actually best for you, right? And of course, let me know the website that you are going to be starting with in the comment section below, guys. The third website is this website called Freshbooks, right? We come to the affiliate program and it's very, very interesting. So get the affiliate advantage. Earn up to $10 per free trial, right? So the same thing, you get somebody to actually sign up on this account, sign up for a free trial, and you get paid $10 instantly, right? Now, this is easy, right? This is basically like minting money on the internet. So if you get 1,000 persons to sign up, that is the easiest $10,000 you're going to be making in your life. So this is the third website. There are 7 more websites remaining. But before we get into those 7 websites, I want to encourage you to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not done that, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you are watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. So let's go to the 4th website. The 4th website is this website that is owned by LinkedIn. It's called LinkedIn Learning, right? And if you come here right now, it says program benefits, a one-time $10 commission on free trial sign-up or 35% on the sale from standalone individual course purchase, right? 30 days tracking cookie. Now, this 30 days tracking cookie is actually very interesting, right? In the sense that if somebody clicks on your link, even if they don't buy immediately, they have 30 days for their cookie to stay on their browser. Within that 30 days, anytime they actually come and actually buy something, you get a commission. Or anytime they come and complete the sign-up process, you get a commission. Easy, right? So I love this, and this is actually what makes this interesting. So a one-time commission of $10 for free trial sign-up. So people just sign up for free trial, and you get a commission easily. If you click on the 4th link, it's going to bring you right here. And all you need to do is to click on this where it says affiliate program. Click on this place, and it's going to take you straight to Impact to sign up for their affiliate program. Easy peasy, right? The next one, which is actually the 5th one, is this particular website right here called Audiobooks. Now, Audiobooks is a website where people actually sign up to listen to books. If you come here right now and come to the affiliate program, I'm going to be saying the fact that they will pay you $25 if you actually get 500 persons to sign up in 1 month. You can literally sit down, set up an account, 500 emails, and sign up on this platform in a month. I'm going to be getting $25. Now, the more you do this, the more money you're going to be making, right? If you're able to do $250, you're going to pay $18. So basically $15, right? And that's it. So the next one we're going to be looking at is a website called Building.com. Now, right here, it says with Building, you will get paid for qualified leads, plus you will earn 25% in commission for each month subscription that comes. So what this means is that you will get paid, but they're not telling us exactly how much they're going to be paying us, right? Which makes it a little tricky. So go ahead and try out Building, right? And let us know what your results, how much they're actually paying in the comment section below this video, right? So the next website, which actually the 7th website we're going to be looking at, is a website called SMRush. SMRush is a keyword research tool for blogs, right? So if you come here right now for the affiliate program, right here they said earn $200 for every new subscription, but beyond that, you earn $10 for every new lead and $0.01 for new signups, right? So people sign up to get this, and if they actually fill in their email or complete a specific task, you're going to be getting $10 instantly. If you're able to do 100%, that is the easiest $1,000 you're going to be making in your life, right? Now, the 8th one is a website called Grammarly. This is a website that I use all the time, right? It's a website that helps you, right, when you are writing it, correct your English, your tenses, your sentences, all of that, right? So a lot of persons actually use this particular website. I use it on a daily basis. So if you're able to get somebody to sign up, now this is what's going to happen. Free account sign up, they're going to be giving you 20 cents, right? Now, premium plan purchase is $20. So this is what they're giving for free. If somebody comes here and signs up for free, they're going to be getting 20 cents for each person that signs up. Now, the next website, which is actually the 9th website, is a website called Ginger Software, right? So if you come here right now, this is become an affiliate. So, but this is how much they pay. Free registration. When you get put to register successfully, they pay you 5 cents, right? Premium plan is more than $20, but this is exactly what they're going to be paying you for free. So some pay higher, some pay lower, right? So the last but not the least website is a website called ShareASale.com. Now let me show you how this works. So if you come to ShareASale.com right here, you're going to come to sign up. I actually sign up for an account as an affiliate, right? But me, I already have an account, so I'm going to come straight to login and come to affiliate login and actually log into my account on ShareASale. So I'm logged into my ShareASale account, and if you look at my current balance, it says $96.18, right? And these monies were made doing exactly what I'm teaching you guys in today's video, right? People were signing up with my link, right? And I was making money, and that's how this $96 actually came to be, as a matter of fact. Now, let me show you how you can do the exact same thing so you can get the exact same result, which is what this channel is all about. Let me show you how to do that. If I come right here right now, I click on go, where it says merchant search, I click on go right here. This is loading up, right? So I'm going to come to modify search here, where it says modify search. I'm going to select pay per lead, right? And I'm going to go back. I'm going to come here, I click on go, leaving this place empty. I click on go, and it's going to show me all of these offers. Now, these offers are offers that pay per lead, right? So if you get somebody to actually sign up on this account and take a specific action, they don't have to buy anything, are going to be getting paid $80. This is where it gets very interesting, right? So what you need to do is to click on join this program to actually get approved to promote this. We can actually start getting people to sign up and perform a specific task, and you get paid $80 per lead, right? So this one right here will pay you 5%. Oh, $10 per lead. This is it right here, $10 per lead, right? Now this one right here, I-800 accountant, will pay you $1 per lead. This one will pay you $20 per lead. This one right here will pay you $45 per lead. This one $5 per lead. This one $20 per lead. You know, so this is where it actually gets very interesting. You know, it's $8 per lead, right? $1 per lead, 1 cent per lead, a whole lot of this kind of offers right here, right? So all you need to do is to click on join the affiliate program, you know, and apply to join this affiliate program. You're gonna fill this form, you know, and of course, once you are done, click on join this affiliate program. And if once you get approved, you get access to your affiliate link. Just copy this affiliate link and send it to your friends, your well-wishers, your followers, social media, you know, whoever. And once they click on it, sign up for an account on this platform and perform a specific task, you're going to be getting paid the appropriate amount of money that is predetermined. Now, this is one of the easiest ways that you need to make money online, guys. So if you've gotten any value from this video, I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button on this video again. If you've not done that, subscribe to my channel. Most importantly, turn on the notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you just watched right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. Now, one final thing. In my next video, I am thinking of showing you guys exactly how to withdraw money from ShareASale. If you want to see that video, let me know, because I have some balance right here. So let me just record the process of actually withdrawing this balance that I have right here inside of ShareASale and put it right here on YouTube, you know, showing you guys so that when you've made money on this platform, you want to withdraw the money, you're going to be doing the exact same thing you saw me do in that video, and you're going to be getting the exact same result. If that's the video you want to see, let me know in the comment section, guys. If you want to watch my video on how to actually make money with affiliate marketing with JVZoo, this video showing up right here is going to show you guys exactly how to do that. And if you want to learn how to actually make money with 4 different secret websites, including ChatGPT, what this video showing down right here is going to show you guys exactly how to do that, guys. So until I see you in my next video, keep winning. And don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.